Sometimes you need to eat an entire rotisserie chicken. Let me show you the best way to do it. First, shred your chicken, skin and all, sliced scallion, celery, grainy Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire, Kewpie mayo, because there is no other, a little bit of salt, a lot of black pepper, and finally my not so secret addition to every single chicken salad that I'll ever make from here on out, yogurt. Doing about 50-50 mayo and yogurt. Shake it all up. Looks so good. Let's try it. A serious win for chicken salad.